Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video, we will discuss more about Oracle SQL. So first of all, in this video, we will discuss about operators in Oracle SQL. So our topic for today, that is operators in Oracle SQL. So what do you mean by operator? So what do you mean by operator? Operators. So operators is nothing but so so operators is nothing but it is a keyword or a symbol that is used to used to perform some operations operations on two or more operands to generate results is called operator. So operator is nothing but it is a keyword or symbol that is used to perform some operations on two or more operand to generate result. So, like take an example like like x plus y. So here it is a arithmetic operation. Like it is a arithmetic operation. So it is a arithmetic operation. It is a an arithmetic operation. So here both x and y are the operand x and y. So here both x and y, both x and y, both are operand, and between x and y, z is between x and y, z is operator, arithmetic operator. So here z is operator, nothing but arithmetic. So in Oracle SQL, there are so many operators that are available in Oracle SQL. So that are discussed below. So first of all, types. Types of operators in Oracle SQL. So first of all, number one, arithmetic. Arithmetic operator in Oracle SQL. The symbols for arithmetic operator, the symbols are for arithmetic operator. How to know that this is a arithmetic operator? Like addition, like plus, comma, minus, comma, multiplication, comma, and division. These are the four operators that are used in arithmetic. Then second operator, that is relational operator. Relational or comparison operator. Comparison operator. So what do you mean by relational or comparison operator? Like relation between two operand or comparison between two operand. Like so in relational operator we can take example like greater than, like greater than, less than, like greater than equal to, greater than equal to, like less than equal to. Then go for equals, then go for not equals, then go for equals can also represented by like this also. These are the important operators. These are the important operations that are used in comparison operator, that are belong to comparison operator. Then third operator, that is nothing but logical operator. Logical operator. So in logical operator, the type of operation that are used, that are one is logical and or not, like and, like and, or like not. Then go for fourth operator, that is special comparison, special operator or comparison operator. Special operator. Special operator. So what are the examples? What are the types that are available in special operator that are given below? Like in special operator category, we can take in operator, we can take in operator, between, operator, like operator is null, then all, then any, then exists, so in the similar there are opposite operator also used that are like in like in opposite, like in, so opposite of in, that is not in, not in, then between, then not between, so then between, between, opposite of a between, opposite of between, like not between, not between, then like, not like, then not like, then null, like opposite of null, then we should go for not null, is not null, like is not null. Then important another fifth operator, that is set operator. So how to perform that set operator and what are the examples, what are the category that are being used. So like in the set operator category, set operator can be the components are that are union, like union, union all, union all, then we should go for intersection, then we should go for minus, then another important operator, that is sixth operator and also last operator, that is concatenation, concatenation operator in Oracle SQL. So the symbol of concatenation operator that can be represented, that is like this. Concatenation operator, like we can represent it like, so the symbol of concatenation operator. So in this video we will discuss Oracle SQL operators, operator definition and types of operator. So that is enough for today. So in the next session we will discuss more depth about what is arithmetic operation, what is operator, what is relational operator, what is logical operator, what is special type of operator, what is set operator, and what is concatenation operator. So in the next video, we will discuss more depth about in that operator. So that is enough for today. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.